Today we're going to do something very interesting. I made a hurricane season with a random number generator, RNG. And before I show you the season I made, I need to show you how I did it. For one, is the storm going to form before May? So if it chooses 80, it will form before May. Let's see. It will not. Is it going to form in December? If it chooses 20, it will. Okay, so the storm's going to be in December. Apparently, that's what the computer wants. Okay. So now we choose the date. This to the December 31st. It's going to form on December 17th. See? So now, is it going to be subtropical? But since it is December 3, so it's going to be subtropical. If it chooses 3, it will be. It's not going to be subtropical. Now I choose the wind speed. It's going to be between 30 and 90. I don't need a category 5 in December. Okay, 45 miles an hour. And normally I would use the naming list to do that. Well, actually, we can do that. We can use the naming list. So we're going to choose the naming list between 1 and 6. So what name is it going to have? Hold on, let me put this here. Naming list 4. Go to tropical cyclone names. There. Just showing how we do it. Then this is naming list 4. So we go to, and we choose between 1 and 21. 8. So name number 8. That'd be Harold. So tropical storm Harold. When is it going to dissipate? So it can dissipate. I guess I'll let it dissipate in January. Hopefully it does not pick that. Will dissipate. Oh wait. Yeah, I could choose any number. Will not let it dissipate because it's going to take forever for it to choose an actual date. So it's going to dissipate on December 26th. So there. Tropical storm Harold, we gotta choose its pressure. It can believe that. Okay. And then we do this. 1001. Okay. So here's our system. Tropical storm Harold. From 45 miles per hour, 1001 millibars. December 17th to December 26th. There. That's our storm. That's how we made a storm with this random number generator. But that's not what we're going to be doing today. I used it to make an entire season. Here's the season I made. Here it is. Here's the season I made. It's very below average with 7 named storms, 3 hurricanes, and 2 major hurricanes. Ignore the red lines. Millibar MB is not a word, so it underlines it. But ignore it. I'm going to tell you all the storms. They decided the first storm would form on July 1st and dissipate on July 9th. Hurricane Alex, 100 miles per hour, 964 millibars. Reminds me of Hurricane Arthur in 2014, actually. Then next was Tropical Storm Bonnie, 60 miles an hour, 989 millibars. And it chose the lowest pressure for every single storm. a lot. It shows a very low pressure for the tropical storm. It lasted 2 days. Tropical Storm Colin, 50 miles an hour, 993 millibars. August 27th, September 5th. Tropical Storm Danielle, 60 miles per hour, 988 millibars. September 5th to September 7th. Our first major hurricane was Major Hurricane Earl, 125 miles per hour, 951 millibars. From September 17th to September 30th. Then we had the strongest storm of the season, Major Hurricane Fiona, 140 miles an hour, 940 millibars. September 19th, September 28th. We had Tropical Depression 7, 30 miles an hour, 1005 millibars. October 4th to October 6th. And then the last system, Tropical Storm Gaston, was 40 miles per hour, 994 millibars from November 1st to November 11th. Seasonal statistics. There were 8 tropical depressions, 7 tropical storms, 3 hurricanes, and 2 major hurricanes. The strongest storm was Hurricane Fiona, 140 miles per hour. Lowest pressure, 940 millibars. So there, that is the season that we got using the random number generator. Tell me if you want me to add anything else. Oh, and I had it choose a number on whether Gaston would be the last storm, and it said yes. So there. Yeah. So very below average, only 7 tropical storms and 1 depression. Okay. Tell me if you think I should add damage or something, but goodbye. I'll do more of these, because I think it's cool. Goodbye.